Hey guys, welcome back. Jason Stiles, founder of iPyramids. Today, I want to talk to you about the iTorus 2. So the iTorus 2 was our flagship product for a while, the most popular product. This is a powerful, portable, mobile PEMF device. So it has an audio input here. This audio input has an auxiliary cable that connects right to your phone, your tablet, your computer, to your headphone jack. And when you download the iTorus app, you're gonna be able to program your field, your magnetic field, with those frequencies coming off the iTorus app, coming through this port and spiraling around the copper coil. So the field is gonna be measurable out to 6 feet. So that's big enough to cover most people. So this 6-foot field in every direction is what we can measure it. So 3 feet out here, 3 feet out here in every direction. That is a powerful mobile device. It comes with a lanyard. You can hang it on your neck. Most people found that it was too heavy to carry around on the neck, so that's why we came out with the i1. But as a 6-foot field, that creates a buffer. A lot of people put this in between them and their laptop, and they're playing at work and using their laptop. You can put it on your nightstand, you can hang it on your headboard and hang it right behind your head and play the sleepy frequencies, and you're gonna be in the field of that. So it's a bioactive field and it's a targeted therapy. So if you have any areas of concern on your body, like I have tendonitis oftentimes from working out, overtraining. So I'll strap this on. It comes with a medical strap. So you can Velcro it to your arm, your knee, your wrist, your extremities. So you can put that on there and just play frequencies while you're working, while you're driving. Sometimes I'll do it while I'm on a road trip. And so it's very convenient. Sometimes I'll use it on the airplane, which is a really good place to do it because when you're on the airplane, you're exposed to so much electromagnetic pollution that you don't even know. Radiation fallout that's high in altitude, the radars coming off the airplane's equipment, all that stuff is going through our body. We're getting exposed by that. So this can help mitigate that when you're on the plane. Play it, activate it. I've done it. It is definitely an eye catcher when you get on the plane. So all these will travel well through the airport. Just tell them it's a medical device and show them the website. The i2 comes with a case, the cords, adapter for your phone. Everybody has a different phone these days, so we make sure we send out the right adapter. Not all adapters are made the same, so some adapters do not work with this type of technology. Okay, so that's the iTorus 2. It's a very friendly mobile device. A lot of people can put it in their backpack and their purse, and no one even knows it's on. And when you're walking around crowds, you could be playing the chakra frequencies, creating a huge 6-foot toroidal magnetic field around you, and that's gonna keep you in a little bit of a force field when you're around a lot of people and a lot of other people's EMF pollution. Okay. That's the iTorus 2. I hope you like this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and watch any of the other videos down below. All right, that's all I got. Thank you for watching.